Hey y'all, I'm talking to my bestie. She's currently out of town for her man's birthday, period. And I'm making spaghetti on a Saturday. Very grown. You can see I'm sweating. But I just want to say, hey, I'm finna eat this food, edit this vlog, and watch Raising Kanan. So, I'll talk to y'all later. Okay, y'all, I know you can't really see me, but babes, you had to get my thoughts in real time. I'm currently watching the newest episode of Real Housewives of Atlanta. And babes, get 𝗬𝗀𝗧𝗏 off the show immediately. I was having a little bit of sympathy for her with the whole Kenya situation. This girl literally just wants to be famous on television for Real Housewives of Atlanta. She's just doing so much. And I wanted to come on here and say this before I watched any like T channels or anything on YouTube to see what they were saying. But the way that she came into this brunch, and after Kelly was like, yeah, today's about you. And then Angela asked her, you know, what made you lose your license? And she's like, read the motherfucking room. Today's about me. She literally she's just trying to figure it out because, babe, she's saying she knows the rules. She knows the laws. Okay. She's in the same field. Clear it up. I feel like when you're just so loud like that, immediately off the bat, you're lying. Or you're wrong, and you're scared to admit, you're scared to be corrected. Babes, just pipe down. Just tell us what was the reason you lost the license. Like, obviously, we know she showed the naked photos of you, but is that a reason to lose your license? It's just giving so much. But the episode's almost over, so I guess I'll let y'all know my thoughts. Oh, beautiful people. It is hump day. Happy Wednesday. Walking with a little limp because my foot sleep, child. It's about 10 a.m. like right at 10 o'clock. I've been to the gym this morning. Miss Flo was in town, my period. And she's been kicking my ass. So I've just been chilling. I haven't been to the gym since Sunday, which I like to start my week off in the gym. Oh, obviously I did. I went Sunday, but I didn't go Monday, and I've really been beating myself up about it. And I've been dying for a killer leg day. And I had a pretty good leg day today. I just didn't go as hard because I didn't do the hip thrust because I didn't want that across my belly. I'm just very particular. But yeah, I had a very good leg day. I went to Kroger. I just had to exchange some paper towels. And then I got myself a little morning treat from my favorite little bakery. And yeah, I'm just about to clean up. I need to wash my sheets, do some dishes because they're always around, and laundry. And yeah, I'm just chilling today and tomorrow. And then my cousin Chaz is coming in town. What day is she coming? Friday. She's coming Friday. So I'm excited for that. I was just texting her trying to set up an itinerary because you know me. I need things organized, Bookie. It was something I was going to come on here and tell y'all. What was I going to come tell y'all this morning? I don't know, but y'all, I really been in my bag with the content on my fitness page. So if you're not following me there, you absolutely need to at 𝗧𝗶𝗸𝗧𝗏𝗵𝗺. Oh, wait, no. It's 𝗧𝗶𝗸𝗧𝗏𝗵𝗺 on Instagram and TikTok. I don't be on TikTok as much, but I'm really trying. But TikTok, it's just too strategic. Like, I just want to get on there and post my content. Like, you got to get on there, you got to interact. Then you gotta post it. Then you gotta create a search insights. Then you gotta get back and interact. It's just too much. Like, I'm like, please, I don't have time. Then on TikTok, you gotta post a certain time. Baby, please. I just want to throw the video up. Okay? I just want to throw the video up. I don't have time for all the strategy. And besides, on Instagram, I have like a real community. Like, them girls is my friends. For real. But yeah, I might do a podcast today. I'm gonna take a nap first before I do anything. I'm gonna take me a little nap. I'm gonna clean up. My house really looks a mess. Y'all wanna see? Literally, it's just stuff everywhere. Literally in my little lunchbox. I just need to clean up. I know it's not really a mess. I'm just overreacting. And then I gotta do some stuff for my husband, child. I'm always doing something for him. It's almost like I'm his damn wife. Like I'm his damn assistant. Shit. But yeah, I got some windows open because it's such a beautiful day out. I was gonna go on a walk. I should go right now, huh? Maybe I'll take a nap and then I'll wake up and then I'll go on a walk. To come say hey to you beautiful people, because I haven't been vlogging like I should. Literally every day I pick up my camera and look at it and I'm like, you need to talk to them. So that's what I'm doing today. Being very mindful. And I'm off tomorrow too. I think did I say that already? Okay, yeah, I'm just rambling at this point. Let me clean up a little bit so I can lay my ass down and I'll come back and talk to y'all later.
You said hey to the vlog?
Say hey to the people.
Hey to the vlog, hey.
Thank you, very good. Y'all know that's the best. It's Estes. Okay, go feed that man, boo. Toodaloo.
Bye.
Hey, y'all, I'm just coming to see what the back of my head look like. If it look a mess, shh. Don't say nothing. Just look. I just did my hair. I think I'm feeling it. Let's look in the mirror and see what y'all think. I need to FaceTime my mama. We're going to see my mama say. I need to FaceTime my man, but he on a cruise, boo. The man is working. I think I like it, though. What y'all think? I think I'm going to send a picture to my lactician. Let me FaceTime my mama, see what she think. Okay, let's see what Tootie say. Hey.
Hey.
Say hey to the vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Okay, what you think about my hair? I did it myself.
You did?
It's cute or what?
It's cute.
You like the ponytails?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Let me show you in the mirror. I told the vlog I had to see what my mama had to say. Because Tootie ain't never gonna lie. Okay, hold on. Let me put them right here. Y'all go right here. Let me see my mama. Okay. It's cute. It don't look too bulky. Very good. I'll put me a little curly piece right here in the top. What you doing?
I'm doing my hair.
What you finna do to your hair? You wanna be me so bad.
I got my hair cut. Now, look.
Yeah, I'm watching my new friend. Hey, friend, bless you. You said these allergies beating your ass. Bless you, boo. We rebuke that. Okay, period. We love a Dallas duh. As y'all saw, I just finished cleaning up my kitchen because, baby, when you hang that rag up, kitchen closed, boo. Yeah, it's time to go to bed. Okay. Good night. I'm watching One of Them Days.
Perfect candidate to be a corporate franchise.
I've literally just been chilling all day.
I think I'm the perfect candidate.
Love that for room.
So you are. Okay.
Say hey, Steve. Tell the people where you at.
I am currently in Texas with my favorite cousin.
Because it's your what?
Y'all just turned 30.
30 for 30, 30 for 30.
No more.
It ain't funny. Did you wake up and your back was hurt?
No, my ankle been hurt.
That ankle been hurt. Well, we finna go have a Gloria's. I left my camera at home, y'all, so we on the phone real bad. Very ghetto. Very unladylike. See y'all in a little bit. We in and Target, even though our very black asses shouldn't be. She said we could be in here. Hey, where you at? Tell them you told us you the reason we're in here.
Yeah, because I forgot deodorant.
She's musty.
I didn't put any on yesterday. Did you say I was musty?
I didn't say that.
Okay.
Why would I say that? I would never. I love you.
I love you. Now my breath was musty though.
Onions.
I had that Mexican.
Yeah, we're finna go to brunch.
Because I love Mexican.
We need to hurry up because we gotta go to brunch. And it's 11 o'clock and our reservation for 1. Make it quick. Okay, y'all, we at Stir because y'all know anytime my people is in town, you know where I gotta bring them. Got to take that Stir virginity. So I dropped Chaz off at the door so I can park. It's about to go down. Uh-oh. You look so pretty. I love that dress on you. I saw you come in and I was like, I gotta tell her. Oh my God, you're so sweet. Of course, have a good day. Hey! Thanks, beautiful. We've been going upstairs all day. All day. Up and down and up and down. All day. We had to move, y'all. Oh, it's on your face. It's following you. The bestest cousins ever in the world. Duh. And we sit on the same side.
That's how you know we love each other.
Yeah, and we blood cousins too. Yeah. We finna have a time. That DJ be DJ. I don't think that hurt you. What you say?
The only thing a nigga ever been is in the way.
Why? It's not losing focus. Did y'all hear what she said? Did y'all hear what she said? The only thing, what?
The only thing a nigga ever been is in the way.
In the way. In the way. Not mine though, but you know.
Not my cousin.
You know, not her cousin, but them niggas, y'all niggas, they be playing around.
No phone.
In a way. In a way. Friend, do you want to say hey to the vlog? You need to say hey. No, you're so pretty. Just say hey, friend.
Hey, y'all.
Yeah, tell them come see you.
Come see your sister. We're about to turn up at 2 p.m. DJ Will.
Very good.
Don't miss it.
And won't. Thank you. You see? You know my mama and daddy, they had their reception at that beer place. Their reception was good. I can't even lie. I don't want to waste it on you. They good. It's juicy. Go on. It's another one. I just said it like it was a chore. I gotta take another picture. She probably gonna forget about the cranberry juice, ain't it? Oh, that's right. You should take it tomorrow. Wait, let's cheers first. You want me to what? Drop your link? Oh my God. You the bestest. And I just keep coming off the top as bestest. Ricky Bobby. Girl, I gotta wash my bag because I'm not just anybody. Oh, that was Joe? I thought I recognized it. I be stuck to you like glue. Baby, I can make your bed right. I like a long hair, thick red ball. I promise I should be hooked on funny. And I don't think you're beautiful, I think you're beyond it. And watch you back it up and dump it back it up. Cause we like her, and we like her too. Friends in the blunt, I was wearing in the cookie cup, slam to a butt. Wish a nigga would look like a tree in this bitch. Fucked up, boy down. Oh, oh, oh.
Turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them high volume. Cross them up, all these street beat boss. Bump them up, turn your click up, dog. Turn them up, turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them up, turn these street can't cross them up, all these street beat boss. Bump them up, turn your click click up, dog. Turn them up, turn your bitch up, dog. Turn around, man, these streets can't cross. Cross them up, all these street beat bosses. Turn them up, turn your click up, dog. Turn them up, turn your bitch up, dog. Turn around.
I'm not singing, Dallas.
But we really need to get it together.
Oh, damn, mess up what's copyright. What's that little drink everybody got? This is we on American Idol?
My mama got me randomly. What you doing? Did you watch that July either? She said the same to me.
I'm scared, y'all.
If my bitch tell me pay for that pussy, I'll take her ass shopping and tell her shut up. Standing on business, standing on bitches ain't nothing to pipe that shit up. It ain't nothing to turn a bitch.
Tastes like a little dog. Man, like I'm gonna let you have it. That's a grown woman's sport.
Turn your bitch up, dog. Turn her up. Tight, these streets can't cross it. Cross them up, all these streets need bosses. When my dog get on his pockets, I'm picking them up. We came from the bottom together, my nigga.
Good morning, y'all. I am headed to church. It is Sunday morning. It is Easter Sunday. It's really rainy, really gloomy. Let me show y'all what it's looking like. It's really gloomy out, so I really wanted to wear a dress, but all of my turn this music down. All of my springy dresses are in storage right now. Yeah, so I just having this cute little top. Chad said it gave very much teacher. Y'all know she a teacher, boo. She said it gave very much teacher. I said stop before I take it off. But I just dropped her at the airport. We forgot to come say bye, y'all. So sorry. But my girl's at the airport. I'm headed to praise the Lord. And yeah, I'm having a very chill day today. I'm not doing anything. Y'all know I'm such a grandmama. I'm such a routine person. And so we was outside a little bit. Not too crazy. We drank yesterday. Not too much. I don't think I'm into getting drunk anymore. All day. We went out to eat on Saturday night. And we had Mexican, but it was I had a chimichanga, so it was covered in cheese, and we had queso, so it just really tore up my stomach. And then yesterday we also had, Chad said I got some queso. I just ate a little, a couple of bites, and then I had some fried shrimp, which my belly is just I don't eat that much anymore. So I'm learning that those things really aren't beneficial at all. That may taste good in the moment, but the aftermath is not really worth it. So I do have some chimichanga left over, and I really don't like to waste food, so I'm gonna probably eat that today. Chad's had a burger left over from Cheddar's last night, and I'm gonna just go try to I'll put it in the microwave or in the air fryer or something and take it to the homeless. So we were trying to last night, but that was not out. Where is the homeless? But yeah, I'm headed to church. I love y'all. I'll see y'all a little bit later. I don't know if I said it already, but after church, I'm just going to go to the gym, and then I'm chilling. I'm literally going to take a nap and get myself ready for the week. Meal prep. And that will be about it. Okay, bookies? So, I'll talk to y'all later. Love you. Mwah.